A man who residents say is a Don from Top Jungle in Annette Gardens, St. Andrew, was shot dead by a gunman in the community on Saturday evening. The man, identified as Damani Taylor, otherwise called Ochipang, was shot dead in a section of the community known as Baka Wall. Police have confirmed the incident, but up to publication time were still on the scene conducting investigations. However, several residents told the Observer Online that the Don was marked for death after he started moving shaky. According to the residents, Ochipang had been making some questionable decisions in the community and had been disrespecting community elders who were well-respected figures in the community. Things came to a head earlier this week when he ordered the beating of one of those community elders, the residents claim. This was reportedly the final nail in his coffin as his own men decided to take him out, the residents shared. Annette Gardens had been unstable up until a month ago, but residents were adamant that there would be no fallout from this killing and guaranteed that there was no war in the community and none will erupt because of the incident. Members of the Westmoreland Proactive Investigations Unit seized a .380 pistol containing an empty magazine during a raid of an abandoned one-room boardhouse in Hartford District in the parish on Saturday. No one was arrested in connection with the find. Reports from the Westmoreland Division are that about 5:30 p.m., lawmen went to the property in search of guns and wanted men when the weapon was found. Investigations continue. A Waterford Portmore St. Catherine farmer is to face the Portland Parish Court on Tuesday for chopping a man. 32-year-old Sean Laban is charged with wounding with intent. The incident happened on the night of Saturday, October 7 in Long Bay, Portland. The police report that about 10:20 p.m. a man was at his place of employment when Laban attacked him and inflicted several chop wounds to his body. The man was rescued and then rushed to hospital where he was treated. The matter was later reported to the police and Laban was arrested and taken into custody. He was charged on Thursday, October 12.